Hello everyone, and welcome back to Homes Inspiration Studios. Today, we're venturing into a captivating intersection of traditional charm and contemporary efficiency, the world of cabin-style modular homes. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Imagine the rustic allure of a cozy cabin, nestled in nature, but built with the precision, speed, and sustainability of modern modular construction. This innovative approach is transforming the dream of a cabin retreat from a lengthy, complex build into an attainable reality for many. If you're captivated by the warmth of natural materials, the tranquility of a serene setting, and the smart advantages of prefabricated construction, then this episode is thoughtfully designed for you. We will meticulously define what makes a cabin-style modular home so special, illuminate the numerous benefits of choosing this progressive building method, and provide expert guidance on how to design these versatile dwellings to achieve both stunning aesthetics and supreme functionality. Let's delve into the precise meaning of cabin-style modular homes design. This innovative architectural concept represents a powerful fusion of two distinct, yet highly complementary, building philosophies: the timeless aesthetic and inviting atmosphere of a cabin, combined with the cutting-edge efficiency and precision of modular construction. A cabin, in its traditional sense, evokes images of rustic charm, natural materials, and a sense of retreat. In essence, a cabin-style modular home design is a smart, sustainable, and aesthetically pleasing solution for those who yearn for the comforting embrace of a cabin, without the traditional complexities and extended timelines of on-site construction. It's about bringing the tranquility of the wilderness into a precisely engineered, modern dwelling. Choosing a cabin-style modular home design offers a compelling array of advantages that speak to both practicality and lifestyle aspirations, making them an increasingly attractive option for modern homeowners. Firstly, a standout benefit is the significantly accelerated construction timeline. Unlike traditional builds that are subject to weather delays and on-site scheduling challenges, modular cabins are constructed in climate-controlled factory environments. This means the building process for your home can happen simultaneously with site preparation, like foundation work, drastically reducing the overall time from concept to move-in, often by months. Secondly, these homes boast superior quality control and structural integrity. Because modules are built in a controlled factory setting, every component and connection undergoes rigorous, multi-stage inspections. This precise manufacturing process, often exceeding local building codes to withstand transportation stresses, results in a more consistently high-quality, durable, and structurally sound home that is often more resilient to environmental stressors. Thirdly, there's the notable advantage of cost predictability and potential savings. The factory-based production process allows for bulk purchasing of materials, reduction of on-site waste, and efficient labor management, often leading to lower overall construction costs compared to traditional stick-built cabins. Moreover, the fixed pricing of modules provides much greater cost certainty, minimizing unexpected budget overruns. Fourthly, cabin-style modular homes inherently offer enhanced energy efficiency and sustainability. With precise cuts, tight seals, and often superior insulation installed in the factory, these homes are naturally more energy efficient, leading to lower heating and cooling costs over time. The reduced on-site waste and the ability to incorporate sustainable materials and practices further contribute to a smaller environmental footprint, appealing to eco-conscious individuals. Finally, while being prefabricated, these designs provide remarkable design flexibility and customization. Far from being cookie-cutter, modern modular technology allows for extensive customization of floor plans, finishes, and exterior treatments. You can create a cabin that truly reflects your personal style, whether it's a minimalist modern retreat, a classic rustic lodge, or something in between, making your dream cabin surprisingly achievable and uniquely yours. By opting for a cabin-style modular home, you are choosing efficiency, quality, sustainability, and a personalized haven in nature. Designing a cabin-style modular home to truly shine involves carefully balancing the rustic charm of a traditional cabin with the clean lines and efficiency of modern modular construction. The goal is to create a visually appealing home that feels both authentic and contemporary. Start by emphasizing natural materials and textures. This is the cornerstone of any cabin design. For the exterior, consider using a variety of wood sidings, perhaps horizontal cedar or reclaimed wood planks for warmth, vertical board and batten for a classic farmhouse cabin blend, or even engineered wood products that mimic natural timber. Integrate stone accents for foundations, chimneys, or entry pillars to add a sense of permanence and rugged beauty. The blend of different textures will add depth. Next, prioritize connection to the outdoors. Cabins are all about nature. Design with large windows and glass doors that frame views of the surrounding landscape. Consider expansive decks, covered porches, or screened and living areas that seamlessly extend your interior living space outdoors. Strategic placement of these elements will maximize natural light and blur the lines between your cozy interior and the natural environment. For the interior, embrace an open concept layout, a hallmark of modern design, which will make the typically compact modular spaces feel larger and more airy. High or vaulted ceilings with exposed timber beams can add dramatic visual interest and reinforce the cabin aesthetic. Choose a warm, inviting color palette. Earthy tones, muted greens, and warm grays work well, and select interior finishes that complement the natural wood. Think wide plank wood flooring, natural stone countertops, and cozy textiles. Lastly, focus on thoughtful detailing and lighting. Even small details contribute to the overall aesthetic. Incorporate elements like rustic light fixtures, exposed metal accents, like matte black hardware or wrought iron, and a substantial stone or brick fireplace as a focal point. For lighting, blend functional recessed lighting with decorative fixtures that enhance the cabin feel. Consider large, comfortable furniture pieces that invite relaxation and warmth. By blending traditional cabin elements with modern architectural principles and smart material choices, your modular cabin will not only look good but also feel inherently welcoming and sophisticated. While our focus today is on the captivating world of cabin-style modular homes, it's always enriching to draw inspiration from related architectural trends that share a love for natural elements and comfortable living. Let's briefly explore 10 outstanding modern cabin-style modular house design ideas, a style that perfectly marries rustic charm with contemporary functionality, often celebrated for its picturesque. One, the A-frame modular cabin, a classic cabin silhouette reimagined with modular precision. This design utilizes prefabricated A-frame modules that are rapidly assembled on site, offering dramatic vaulted ceilings, a prominent glass facade to maximize views, and a cozy, yet expansive, interior. Ideal for scenic mountain or forest settings. 2. The modern minimalist box cabin. This design strips down the cabin aesthetic to its essentials: clean lines, flat or low-pitched roofs, and a focus on natural wood cladding, like sugi ban or light cedar, mixed with dark metal accents and large, simple windows. It offers a sleek, contemporary retreat that feels calm and uncluttered. 3. The stacked module lookout cabin. Utilizing the modular advantage of vertical stacking, this design features multiple modules stacked to create a tower-like structure. The upper levels offer panoramic views, often with floor-to-ceiling windows. The exterior might combine different materials per module, like stone on the base and wood on top. 4. The L-shaped forest retreat. This design employs several modules arranged in an L shape, embracing a private outdoor deck or a small courtyard. This configuration allows for distinct wings, e.g., living/dining, sleeping, maximizes natural light from multiple angles, and seamlessly blends the interior with the surrounding wooded environment. 5. The hybrid timber frame modular cabin. While Decor is modular, this design incorporates prefabricated heavy timber elements, like trusses or exposed beams, that are craned into place, adding significant rustic grandeur and architectural warmth to the interior spaces, particularly in great rooms and entries. 6. The container-inspired modular cabin. Drawing inspiration from shipping container aesthetics, this modular cabin might feature a more rectangular, industrial form, sometimes with corrugated metal accents or a raw, exposed steel look, softened by warm wood interiors and large, contemporary windows, blending urban edge with cabin coziness. 7. The Scandinavian-inspired modular cabin, characterized by simplicity, functionality, and light-filled spaces. This design features light-colored wood interiors, birch, pine, minimalist furnishings, large windows to maximize daylight, and often a muted, natural exterior palette, grays, whites, natural wood, that perfectly blends with natural landscapes. 8. The walkout basement modular cabin, ideal for slope sites. This modular design allows for a lower level that walks out directly to the landscape, often featuring additional bedrooms, a family room, or recreational space. This maximizes usable square footage and creates multiple levels of outdoor access from the single-story upper modules. 9. The cabin with integrated covered porch modules. This design specifically includes prefabricated modules for generous covered porches or screened-in lanais that attach seamlessly to the main living modules. This creates essential outdoor living spaces that are protected from the elements, enhancing the cabin's connection to its surroundings. 10. The off-grid capable modular cabin, designed for remote or wilderness locations. This modular cabin integrates sustainable technologies. It might feature discretely integrated solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, advanced battery storage, and high-performance insulation, allowing for self-sufficient living without sacrificing comfort or cabin charm. As we conclude our deep dive into cabin-style modular homes, it's clear that this building method offers an exciting pathway to achieving your dream retreat. They beautifully combine the timeless allure of cabin living with the undeniable advantages of modern manufacturing, precision, speed, sustainability, and quality. From the rugged charm of their exteriors to the cozy, thoughtfully designed interiors, these homes are truly revolutionizing how we think about building. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern modular cabin house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.